When you're shopping for a Mercedes-Benz, you're not just buying a car, you're buying into a legacy of luxury, performance, and engineering. But not all Benzes are created equal. Some are paragons of reliability that live up to the brand's reputation for quality, while others are notorious money pits. To help you make a smart choice, we've broken down the best and worst Mercedes by model and year. Here are the 6 best Mercedes models and reliable years. These models have earned a reputation for being dependable and durable. They offer the classic Mercedes experience without the headache of constant repairs. These are the reliable years you want to look for. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz CClass W204 2007 to 2014. Widely considered one of the most reliable Mercedes models, the W204 CClass is a workhorse. It combines a durable, lightweight chassis with simplified electronics, meaning fewer things can go wrong. The M272 V6 and M271 four-cylinder engines are known for their longevity, making this a fantastic option for a dependable daily driver. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz EClass W212 2010-2016. The W212 E-Class is often hailed as a pinnacle of Mercedes' executive sedan design and reliability. With a refined V6 engine and a strong transmission, these cars can easily exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. They offer a luxurious ride with a proven mechanical foundation. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz GLC X253 2015 to 2019. Built on the robust C-Class platform, the GLC is a fantastic compact luxury SUV. It uses the dependable M274 four-cylinder and M276 V6 engines, along with the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. While minor issues like valve cover gasket leaks can occur, they're generally easy to address and the overall reliability is top-notch. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz GLK Class X204 2009 to 2015. The GLK is a solid and one of the most reliable Mercedes models, no-nonsense compact SUV that stands out for its simplicity and reliability. Its naturally aspirated V6 engine is a workhorse, and its electronics are less complex than those of newer models. For a high-quality, long-lasting SUV, the GLK is a great pick. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221 2007 to 2013. The W221 S-Class is a huge step up in Mercedes' reliability from its predecessor. While it's still a complex luxury car, it has fewer common issues than the W220 generation. With a beautiful interior and powerful engines, the W221 offers a true flagship experience without the constant fear of a major mechanical failure. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz G-Class 2000 to 2020. The G-Wagon is an icon for a reason. Its simple, rugged design and body-on-frame construction make it an incredibly durable vehicle. This is one of the most reliable Mercedes models and should not be overlooked. The V8 engine is a proven performer, and while electronics can be a minor headache, the core mechanical components are built to last a lifetime. Here are the 4 worst Mercedes models and worst years. These cars, while they may look appealing on the used market, are known for a host of costly and frustrating problems. These are the worst years and worst models to consider. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2012 to 2015 C250. The C250 from this era, with its 1.8-liter turbocharged M271/M274 engine, is a ticking time bomb. One of the worst models and years of Mercedes that you should avoid buying. The timing chain and camshaft sprockets are prone to premature wear, which can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Many owners report this happening with less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, resulting in thousands of dollars in repair bills. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz EClass W211, 2003 to 2009. Furthermore, you also need to avoid the worst models that we mentioned. This generation of the E-Class is famous for its expensive and widespread problems. The 2006 to 2007 E350 models with the M272 V6 engine suffered from a balance shaft issue that required the engine to be pulled for a costly repair. Early models also had the notorious Sensotronic Brake Control (SBC) system, a brake-by-wire setup that was prone to failure and incredibly expensive to fix. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220, 1999 to 2006. Next, the worst Mercedes models you should avoid. The W220 S-Class is a great example of a luxury car that ages poorly. These cars were plagued with poor build quality, rust issues, and electrical gremlins. The aromatic suspension and active body control systems were known for leaking and failing, often leading to repair bills that were more than the car's value.
Number 4. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, 2007 to 2014. The Sprinter van has a reputation for being a workhorse, but its reliability is often exaggerated. These vans, particularly the diesel models, are notorious for engine failures, EGR and DPF system issues, and the infamous Black Death from injector seal leaks. The repairs are often complex and expensive, leading to a lot of downtime for owners. Choosing the right Mercedes-Benz can mean the difference between a joyful ownership experience and a financial nightmare. That's the whole list of the best and worst Mercedes models that you should avoid if you want to buy a used car.